I made this game in 5 minutes using AI. It's a fruit catcher game with different game modes, power-ups, a beautiful looking UI, and a store to customize the basket. I'll show you exactly what I did step by step so you can create your own games. It's a really simple process and it allows you to create apps and websites without any coding knowledge at all. I'll also teach you how to deploy your game so that everyone can play it. So let's get right into it. First, I went on ChatGPT to get some unique and simple game ideas. I chose the falling objects catcher for this video. It's a really simple idea just to show you what can be done. Now we need a roadmap with all the details and features of the game. Just ask ChatGPT to elaborate on the idea with as much detail as possible. Now we have everything we need to build the app. The AI I use is called Replit, and it's one of the most powerful agents available. Just head over to their website and create an account. Click on the Create App button in the top left corner and choose the Create with Replit Agent option. Paste the roadmap that ChatGPT created and then click Enter. Replit will then code the entire app for you and will install all the necessary dependencies so that the app runs smoothly on all devices. This might take a while, so feel free to go jack off in the meantime. Anyways, once it's done, you'll be able to test your app in the web view window located at the top. If you would like to modify any elements of the game, just ask the AI and it will automatically change the code to reflect those changes. You can also access and change the code yourself if you like. Now we have a fully functional game. I'll show you how to deploy it so that everyone can play it as well. To make your game available to anyone, just click the Deploy button in the top right corner. You can then choose how much computing power is needed for the game. For example, if your game has very good graphics, you might want to change these settings. Also, if you think your game will generate a lot of traffic, make sure to choose the appropriate number of machines to handle it. Once you have all the right settings, click Approve and Configure Build Settings at the bottom. It will redirect you to another page where you can customize different settings for the web app. You can choose your own domain name if the app is public or private, and other settings, like a build command, which is the command line statement that compiles your app at build time, and a run command, which is the command line statement that runs your app after it has been built. Once you customized all the settings to your needs, click the Deploy button at the bottom of the page. Now, just wait until the process is finished. It might take a while. Once it's done, you and everyone in the world will be able to access your app using the domain that you chose in the settings earlier. It's as simple as that. In another video, I'll show you how to make money with the apps and website you built. So start now.